Hello all. Today I'm not able to upload the video. So I may updated the Excel, but I'm not able to upload it due to some reason. Let's just start our video. Just please read the disclaimer. And the purpose of the video is to share my financial knowledge, which I landed in my past, so that you guys also learn something from it if it is useful. So that's the thing. And second disclaimer also, please take a pause and read it, and please take decision based on your own knowledge. Don't blindly go and trade or invest based on other person, including me, because I'm not going to be responsible for your loss or profit both. And common mistake, every day we are seeing this. Just take pause and read it, because these are the stoppers which you make, stopping you to not to become a profitable, even though people know that, but they are not practicing it. So please take a moment and read it today as well. Lack of research, managing risk management, then failure to take profit, averaging down, innovation, over leveraging. So all these are the most commonly make mistakes. And in our series, we are focused mainly to show how discipline paying us, and another thing, how strictly we are following our set of rules which we created early, and how it is performing. Just to understand, discipline is very important, and that will just it will make us definitely it will pay us. So just to see, that's the thing. Don't put your own money and do that. I'm just showing you with my money, and just you need to uh, understand this thing. You need to be 100% disciplined. That's what you need to put it in your own mind. So that's the purpose of this video. Let's move to the things. If you are viewed my old video, and this is the set of rules which I have used here, and this is the characteristics or law rules, we can say, we are following in this series. We are just naming it as Spiny Mouse, and the capital which we used, and what is the risk reward we are having currently as per our current position, and what's the maximum and minimum loss. All that we are updated here. We are updating it based on the position. And discipline 100%, that's not only for this series, not every series. And hard work and smart work, here we are not putting much effort, just we are setting up the strategy, and we are leaving it as it is until the expiry, and we will do minor adjustment wherever required to maximize the profit. And the characteristics of this series is like a low risk taking and low capital. Two strategy allowed at once, means only allowed, we are going to make only two strategy, not more than that, at once. Then adjustment, we are not doing much in per day, and to avoid over trading thing. Not trading to everyday's ups and downs. It means like we are not um, reacting to any big fall or big um, like gap up opening. So, and this is the status today as on day 6, 6,270. It's a realized profit. It means like I booked the profit is 6,270, and unrealized profit will be minus 6,062. So, since as I booked the profit, so it's showing a big figure in unrealized profit. It's not profit, actually loss. So we will see what happened in day 6. And these are the day 0. It started from Friday morning, and this is Friday evening, and there will be a big movement. So there will be a big changes in the value, and later on the VIX will be keep changing. So based depends upon that, the values are changing. These are all we saw in the past videos, and here also, until this the VIX is keep going up. So we got negative value, all those things. Now we are in the day 6. That's it's not a full trade, actually. It's not a full trading session, because only 6 to 7 it is opened. That's for Diwali. So what I done today is like, with the profit which I booked on um, 31st October, that is Thursday, 6,270. What I did is like I bought the gold. So around 80 unit at 77.99. Currently it's at around 78.34. So it's around profit of 28. This is also not booked one, unrealized profit. Why I did that is like usually what we need to do is like we need to trade. If you got profit or something, then you should not keep that money also and do again trade. It's not the best, I can say. So what I am doing is like I will whatever earning profit I am going to get it in this series. I will either buy any stocks or something or Nifty index or like gold ETF. Here I choose the gold ETF just because whenever market is going down or something, equity, then the people try to put that, take the money and put that into the gold. So it will be vice opposite, opposite to each other. So I thought of buying this thing so that in the later video, later part of this series, I will pledge this amount and I can increase my pledge. I can use that amount also, like not 100 percentage, 6,239 something. I will check and I will let you know around the 80%, 90%, at 80 to 90%. I think I can utilize this amount. So I can trade it again also. At the same time, gold also, it will keep going, it will keep go up. The value will be appreciating. So that's the point. So this is the update today. So yesterday we saw like whatever money we booked, and today we are seeing what I did with the money and why I did that. And this is going to be long term. And let's see how I am going to adjust this position in the upcoming session. And again I'm saying no need to invest any money or lose money. If profit or loss anything, I am sure I will show you, and with that you will learn something. And keep that my in the mind, and think about that, and you can perform also in the, you can also, if you like it, and you can also try to multiply your money. And here the Spiny Mouse series, if I lost 30% of the money capital, that is 30,000, around 30,000, if I lost that, then I am accepting that as the I lost the capital and I lost this series, and I need to accept the failure. So, but I won't give up easily. So let's see, because I'm practicing all the setup rules which I um, later. So let's see how long we are going. Any crashes or any big up movement, anything in that we are losing or not, we will see that. And this is the update, like with respect to the chart. This is simple strategy only. We are not putting much effort, and I am not checking daily, like every, just I will end of the day market, I will usually I will check at the end of the day just to see what happened to the market, all those things. Because that's what that's the thing I mentioned in the up, like hard work and smart work will be very less only. Just to making a strategy you need effort. After that I'm not seeing that every day. Let's see in the upcoming session I will give the next update. Thank you.